Okay, so this is going to be a dip and squish method, and all I did here was put a plastic bag and taped it off in the back. And I was inspired by JB Pour Art. JB Pour Art. You got to check out her channel. I will leave the link in the description area. So I'm just going to start. It's basically a dip and squish, and these ridges give a very beautiful effect. So I'm just going to pour down the colors. I love the dip and squish method as it's a lot of fun and easy to do. I've got gorgeous colors here. Let's see what happens. And a little bit of white, I think, as well, just a little bit. All right, and I've got my coasters here. They are 4 inches by 4 inches, and I'm going to dip. Oh, I love the way that looks. Wow. And oops, oh no. I don't think I should have moved it. Okay, once I do the back here, because I'm going to cover it with my cork, I'm going to lift straight up. Let's see what happens. Whoa, that's interesting. Look at that. Oops. That is beautiful. Really beautiful. Little bubble there. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do that again.
Click on the link so you can see how I finish my coasters.
And I'm gonna dip it in. Do the back. I love the way that feels. I'm gonna go straight up. Wow, that is so cool. Look at that. Oops, oh my goodness. I think my colors might be a bit too runny.
You can do the same technique with just a small canvas. It works perfectly.
Okay, dip. Cover the back and straight up. Whoa, now look at that one. That is a beauty. Love that one. I have to do these other ones over again. This one here especially I don't like. I think I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna dip it in, squish, lift. No. Dip. Look at the color coming out. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. That's beautiful.
If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up.
Look at that. That is beautiful. Don't want to mess this one up, but there's a lot of blue up here, so I'm just going to re-dip at the top. Oh, that's way better. That's much better. Love that. Okay, and so I will clean up and I'll bring you down so you can see them up close. Okay, so mine didn't quite turn out the way hers did, but I still love the patterns. Look at this. That is beautiful. They are still wet, of course, and I will show you when they are dry. This is the one that looks most like a kind of like a flower. But they are all very pretty. Very, very beautiful. So keep watching, it'll be just one more second. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and look at these. Wow. So beautiful. Love, love, love them. I am so happy with these. I think they turned out really beautifully. There we go. I've got close-up images coming up, and click on the link you see now to see more of my coaster creations.
Check out my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.